Hi friends, good evening. This is Nurullah with you all. Today I would like to give you a few inputs about job loss insurance, the law guidelines that has been introduced lately in United Arab Emirates. Um, as per this new guideline, whoever lost their jobs due to the fact that company terminated them, company initiated terminations of the employees, they would be able to get insurance amount during the time of their job loss, and they need to register first, with the government by paying certain premium amount, which is calculated based on their basic salary. Yeah, this is becoming mandatory, and they gave a deadline actually, which is coming very soon. For this, what you need to do, there was a bit of confusion on, where to go, what to do, whether it is only for the people who lost their job they have to do, or all should do. There are so many questions. See, this one, every, all the UAE nationals and UAE residents, whoever with a work visa, employment visa, they need to do this registration. So meaning they need to do this the job loss insurance, um, registration for job loss insurance, so that during the time of their job loss, god forbid, worst case scenario, if they lose their job, they would start getting this job loss insurance because they already paid the premium amount. They registered in the government website, they paid the premium amount. See, this is the website. The website name is www.iloe, yeah, iloe.ae, which is basically what? Which is basically a government website. Let me just close this so that I will exactly tell you what is it. It is involuntary loss of employment scheme in UAE. ILOE is nothing but involuntary loss of employment scheme in UAE. So this is how the website looks like. Okay. So the moment you go and click this, I will just show you. I will not show you the full guidelines because it involves the basic salary of the employee. It is confidential, but I will give you the very preliminary and mandatory guidelines on the navigation. See, www.iloe.ae, click, and automatically the screen shows announcement. Do you work in semi-government entities or companies registered in UAE free zone? You can subscribe now by clicking on the subscribe here, and proceed to non-registered in MOHRE in the LOE portal. Now, what you have to do, you have to go and click subscribe. Once you click subscribe, basically there is a screen coming which is called individual. In this screen there are three radio buttons, three options: sector, private, federal government, or non-registered MOHRE. Okay, if you are a private company, you have to click private. It is federal government. They are government employees, like they are purely federal government employees, like immigration, government hospitals, those things. Or a non-registered MOHRE. For me, it is non-registered MOHRE. So let me show you how things will look like. Now it asks you sign in. Sign in. You can either register here or with an OTP with your Emirates ID number and mobile number. You can do that. Now with OTP, you have to click your Emirates ID number. Just for the sake of confidentiality, let me type here, so that then I will show you the screen actually. How does it look like? 1 second. Okay. So you have to enter the Emirates ID number and mobile number in the login details and request OTP. Yeah. So once you request OTP, it will look like this. Now there is an OTP coming. For example, the OTP for me is, just wait. Oh, sorry. I am submitting my OTP. Once you submit the OTP, you will be receiving, because I have already registered, a screen already came with the registration details and all the details. If you are an unregistered person, normally, there is a dialog box that comes that will ask you your name, your passport number, your basic details, your basic salary information. How much is your basic salary? You need to input all these things. You need to attach your Emirates ID or passport or work visa copy. Okay, you have to do that. Then accordingly, sometimes the PDF with more than 1 MB, it may not be accepted. So make it, reduce the size and make it as a very small sized JPG or PDF. Then upload it and click. Automatically, it will take you to a payment gateway where you need to put your payment details, card details, credit or debit card, and make the payment. Then there is a certificate that it will ask you your email, which is optional. The certificate of premium payment and registration will be sent to your email. And this is the document for you. In case if you lose your job, you can go to the same website using the OTP, your login details or registration details, and go and claim. There is a place called in the same website, claim. In case if you lose your job, you have to go here. Let me claim registration. You have to register your claim like this. Then a page come like this, claim registration details, employer name, job loss date, reason for job loss, and accordingly it will take you to the further pages so that you will be able to claim the insurance money. For the employees with basic salary less than 16,000 dirhams, which is a rule here. I will show you here. Payment option, not payment option, subscription channels. If you go and explore the the details here, it will show you everything. See, category A is for those employees who are with a basic salary of 16,000 dirhams and less, for whom 5 dirhams per month, and for a year it is 60 dirhams plus a VAT of 5%, 3 dirhams. 63 dirhams you will need to pay for 1 year. You have the option of paying for 2 years also, which is 120 plus dirhams. The same for category B, who are the employees who are getting above 16,000 dirhams basic salary. For the category A people who are having less than 16,000 dirhams, during their job loss period, they can get up to a maximum of 10,000 dirhams per month. Up to 3 months per claim. For one claim, you can claim for 3 months insurance amount actually. Likewise, in the category B, up to a maximum of 20,000 dirhams per month, up to 3 months per claim. Hope this information is of help for you guys who might be exploring the details for job loss insurance in UAE. If you like this video, click a thumbs up button, like button, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep you updated for any latest updates like this. Thank you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.